Jai Shri Ram. In the Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, 55th verse had been identified by Adi Shankaracharya as the gist of the entire Gita, the quintessence of the entire Gita, the saram, just in one shloka. So, matkarmakrun matparamo madbhakta sangavarjitah nirvaira sarvabhuteshu yassamameti pandava. Matkarma krit, that means he does my work, that is karma yoga, does everything for me. And mat paramaha, jnana yoga, one who has realized that the ultimate goal of life is to shake hands with Krishna. It is above all other considerations in life. If you have understood that, then you are a jnana yogi. Then mad bhaktaha, that is bhakti yoga, wholeheartedly, totally committed and devoted to Krishna and constantly thinking of Krishna, nothing else at all. That is bhakti. Sangavarjitaha, vairagya, totally detached, immersed but detached, like padmapatramivambasa, like a drop of water on the lotus leaf. Okay, so immersed but detached, degagé and degazed. Degage means bindas, totally carefree, like Arjuna. In fact, Rama was told by Vasishtha in Yoga Vasishtam, Arjunopakhyanam is a chapter. And interestingly, Vasishtha tells Rama, hey, listen Rama, you should be like Arjuna. Arjuna vadhi nirdukham sukham kshepaya jivitam. So Rama is being told by Vasishtha to be like Arjuna. Interesting, isn't it? So let's move on. There will be a lot of questions in your mind, I understand. Vasishtha said, Arjuna vadhi nirdukham sukham kshepaya jivitam. That means Rama is indirectly telling us through Vasishtha that you must be like Arjuna. Therefore, I myself am going to come back as Krishna and I am going to deliver the Gita, so please study the Gita. That is the marma, that is the secret message. And nirvaira sarvabhuteshu. Degage means detached, bindas, carefree, like Arjuna. And degazed means demagnetized. That means nothing in this world is going to attract you at all. You will be there right in the middle, in the eye of the storm. Nirvaira sarva bhuteshu, harboring no enmity towards anyone. But if there is a fight, and let's say you are a soldier, or even just a citizen, you have to protect the right of some innocent, you have to fight. Okay, this is the essence of the entire Bhagavad Gita according to Adi Shankaracharya. Jai Shri Ram.